Emma was a talented teenager and a regular internet user, just like all her friends. As it usually happens, she has made many friends on various social media. She spent hours and hours online chatting with people she thought were her friends.
Oh my god, look how ugly you are. Cringe. Jesus, you're so pathetic.
What is going on? Emma was so confused. She never hurt anyone. She was always the first to help. She just liked playing her guitar and spending time with her pet dog, family, and friends.
I know where you live. If you report us, I will send this photo to everyone at school.
She opened the photo and saw her face on someone else's body, doing things she never did. She got scared. She got terrified. Will her parents believe her? Will her friends believe her?
Emma did the smartest thing. She talked to her parents. The bullying eventually stopped, but the feeling of fear and helplessness sometimes still get to her. Emma is fine now. Remember, you are never alone.